Hi everyone, and welcome back to Yubetsu English cooking class. This is episode number 3, so thank you for watching. Well, it's December now, and just a few days from Christmas. So, I thought I would show you some Christmas-related recipes. We will cook roast chicken, and we will also cook stuffed potatoes, or double-baked potatoes, as they are also known. Both of these recipes are very simple, but very delicious. So please try at home. First of all, let's make some roast chicken. Let's get into it. Well, for your roast chicken, first you're going to need chicken. Next, you need a bowl of water. You will also need salt, pepper, and olive oil. The first step is to take your bowl of water and put a good amount of salt in. I recommend about 1 handful. Next, you simply take your chicken, which you've removed the skin from, and place it into the bowl of salty water. Next, leave to soak in the bowl for about 15 minutes. So the next step after that 15 minutes is to remove your chicken from the water. And using a paper towel, pat it dry. And because it already has salt on it from the water, you just need to put some pepper. So give it a good amount of pepper. Now get your oven ready to 220 degrees. Next, you'll want to get your oven dish and pour some olive oil on it. And then simply place your chicken on top. And I also recommend pouring just a small amount of olive oil on top. So when your oven has reached 220 degrees, just place your chicken in for about 20 minutes. And when your chicken is finished, you just simply take it out and you let it rest. So you let it rest for about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. And that's very important because when it's resting, it gets very soft. and then after that you can cut and serve. So next we need to prepare the potatoes. So for this one I'm going to have 3 large potatoes, and for 3 large potatoes you'll need 1 small onion, about half a cup of cheese, and some ham. And you'll also need some butter. About 50 grams is a good amount. So first you need to bake the potatoes in the oven for 1 hour at 200 degrees. So let's do that now. So while the potatoes are cooking, let's prepare the other ingredients. So for the onion, you want to slice it into very small pieces. So in half, and then like this, and then like this. And from there, make very, very small pieces. Now for the ham, I'm going to use this whole packet, but you don't have to. You can use as much as you like, really, from 1 slice to 10 slices. It depends how much you like ham. And so for this, we'll slice like this, and then spin round, and the same this way, to make kind of squares. Okay, and then add that to the bowl too. So that part is done, and we just need to wait until the potatoes finish baking. So after 1 hour, our potatoes are ready. And to prepare our potatoes, the next step is we need to cut these in half. So with each potato, you want to carefully scoop the insides out and place in a separate bowl. Like this. It's a little bit hot, so be careful. The next step is take a fork and lightly mash this. So break down just a little bit and mix. Then take your butter and add that to the bowl. And when your butter has melted, add this bowl to your ingredients you cut before. Add your cheese and mix well. So once your mix is well combined, then take your potato skins that you have and place this mix inside, like this. So once your potatoes are like this, once again, place in the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. So after half an hour, the potatoes are ready, and all you need to do is serve with your chicken. So let's get a potato now. As simple as that. Well, that was Yubetsu's English cooking class. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoy cooking stuffed potatoes and roast chicken. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas. Bye for now.